Good morning, students. In the economics, I have completed the first chapter, the story of village Palampur. Now, I have written some important questions and answers. पालमपुर जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर इकोनॉमिक्स का है वह कंप्लीट हो चुका है और कुछ महत्वपूर्ण इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस है आंसर के साथ है, उसको तुम लोग लिख लोगे। और इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो भी मैं एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहा हूँ। तो लगभग फर्स्ट चैप्टर पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और तुम लोग जान जाओगे। फर्स्ट है व्हाट इज मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग। व्हाट इज मल्टीपल क्रॉपिंग? ग्रोइंग मोर देन one crop on the same piece of land in a year is known as multiple cropping. Repeat. Growing more than one crop on the same piece of land in a year is known as multiple cropping. Question number second. Which capital is known as working capital? Answer: raw materials and cash in hand. Raw materials and cash in hand is known as working capital. Question number 3. What are the factors of production? What are the factors of production? And answer is land, labor, physical capital and human capital. Land, labor, physical capital and human capitals are known as factors of production. Question number 4. What is the main economic activity in the village of Palampur? Farming is the major activity of Palampur. Question number 5. What are the non-farming activities in Palampur? Manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, computer education, dairy farming, poultry farming, etc. are known as non-farming activity. Question number 6. What comprise modern farming methods? Answer: HYV seeds. HYV means high yielding variety of seeds. HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, irrigation facilities are comprises modern farming methods. Question number 7. What is fixed capital? Tools and machines such as tractors, generators, turbines and computers, etc. are known as fixed capital. It is known as fixed capital. Fixed capital इसलिए कहा गया है कि एक बार कैपिटल इन्वेस्ट करने के बाद इसका यूटिलाइज ईयर्स आफ्टर ईयर्स कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डज ह्यूमन कैपिटल मीन? नॉलेज एंड इंटरप्राइज आर नोन एज human capital because with the help of knowledge, help of education, people gain more and more profit. Next question. What does yield mean? Yield is measured as crop produced on a given piece of land during a single season. And last question, question number 1 to 9 are very short question and answer these questions from 1 to 9 are some words or one sentence, maximum 2 sentences only. And question number 10 is short question. requires 3 marks. Question number 1 to 9, 1 mark only. What are the facilities available in Palampur? What are the facilities available in Palampur? This question is very important. Most of the houses have electric connection. Electricity is used to run tube wells in the fields. Palampur has 2 primary schools and 1 high school. There is a primary health center run by the government and 1 private dispensary where 6 persons are treated, and transport facilities are also available in Palampur. These are the following facilities available in Palampur. Question number 1 to 10 completed. इसके अलावा और भी बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जो अभी मैं बोलने जा रहा हूँ, ध्यान से सुनो. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ विलेज इज पालमपुर? आंसर, पालमपुर इज ए हाइपोथेटिकल विलेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, नेम द नियरेस्ट विलेज एंड नियरेस्ट टाउन ऑफ पालमपुर. Raiganj is the nearest village and Shahpur is the nearest town. Next question, how many families lived in Palampur? Answer, there are 450 families lived in Palampur. Next question, 3 marks. Short question, explain the family description of Palampur. Answer, there are 450 families lived in Palampur. Among them, 80 families belong to upper caste and 1/3 of the total population. It means that 150 families are Dalits and rest 240 families are medium classes which have 2 hectares of land. And last 60 families among them are rich farmers which have more than 10 hectares of land. Next question, explain the seasons of cropping. There are 2 seasons of cropping, Kharif season and Rabi season. Kharif crops are grown in rainy season. Jowar and bajra are Kharif crops and wheat is Rabi crops. 1/3 crop is potato, which is grown between Kharif and Rabi season. Completed.